Hi everyone, this is my Module 12 review over internet safety. As teachers, I think it is really important to teach internet safety to our students at a very young age, so it could prevent, um, you know, problems and stuff in the future. So when they're growing up, uh, they know what sites to be on, who they can talk to, what's secure and what's not. Um, the websites that I've looked at regarding or on the assignments, all of them were pretty good because they had engaging videos and stuff that kids would like. And one even had a blog, which is really good because that really keeps the cycle of people coming back and talking on a secure chat so they know that it's secure, so they know they're talking to legit people that aren't trying to scam stuff, not scam kids, but like uh, just it's a secure website. And I think these skills, if they're learned really good, like, or well, not really good, it prevents like theft and stuff. So like later long in life, like you don't get your credit card scanned because you're looking at certain keys that tell you that it's not a secure website or something, so you don't get like your credit card hacked or something. Um, with the USafe readings, the main points were cyberbullying, unwanted sexual contact, and just privacy on just securing people's privacy on the web, and just safe internet browsing, which is really key so people don't get scammed out of stuff, and just a lot of really good, safe online tips. And I think that's it. Thank you.